back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Mamta and today I'm going to talk about another Indian brand which is Plum. I've already done their Kajal review. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Also, today I'm going to talk about their green tea range which is suitable for acne prone oily skin. So if you want to know more, keep watching the video. So as you have already read the title, that I'm going to talk about the weekend skincare with Plum. Now why I have named this series, like this video, as a weekend skincare, because generally like daily routine में हम लोग मुंह धो लेते हैं, टोनिंग भी थोड़ी बहुत कर लेते हैं, मॉइस्चराइज भी कर लेते हैं, लेकिन डीप क्लेंजिंग के लिए there are 2 or 3 more steps which I am going to tell you in this video. So guys, the first step is as usually very simple and basic. Wash your face. For that they have their green tea pore cleansing face wash which is 75 ml and retails for rupees 345. And why this face wash is a little bit expensive, because it has a green tea extract. Also they have microbeds in it which gently scrub your face, not in a very harsh way, but it really cleanses your face. If you do not have cystic acne, I would suggest you to use this face wash, but if you have a major skin issue or problem going on, I would recommend not to use this. But if you have oily mild acne situation, this may help you. So that's that. It really clean your face, leave your face squeaky clean. And if you remember, I have done a video like last year about my minimal skincare routine. In that video I also mentioned about Plum face wash. So that's that. The second step is scrubbing your face. Now I'm not saying that you should scrub your face daily. That's not a right thing to do. Over exfoliating is never good for your face. The face wash already have microbeds in it which can, you know, mildly scrub your face. To clean your face, like deep clean your face at the weekend, you can use their newly launched Genital Revival face scrub. Like, the one thing which I really like about the whole range, that it has a green tea sort of smell in all the products. Obviously they claim that this whole range is green tea, have green tea extract. The whole range has a very fine, you know, smell of green tea, which I really like about that. The gel based scrub, like the consistency is sort of like gel and it really clean your face. Now I again would like to mention, if you have cystic acne or very serious acne situation going on, do not try this. This is written here as well in the description that not advised for severe or cystic acne. Please do not use. मैं बताती हूँ. I have done this when I was suffering from severe acne. I used to think अच्छा ये भी यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, ये भी यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, ये भी यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, which led me to more and more damaged skin. Now that I don't want anybody else to repeat the same mistake. If you are going through any acne situation, go to the dermatologist and get it checked. But if you have mild acne which can be taken care at home, then only. And anyway, जब आपके pimple dry up हो जाते हैं ना, so they leave a dead skin over your face, so this will help in removing that. So this is nice. I've used it, I liked it, and yeah, this is Mamta approved, as if anybody cared. The third step of weekend deep cleansing should be a mask. Now a mask can differ from skin type to skin type. I have a oily acne prone skin, so I go for clay mask, or basically mask which has multani mitti or some sort of clay in it, which really help my skin to calm down a little bit because I have inflammation situation going on. So this one I use from their green tea range as well, which is their Plum green tea clear face mask. This retails for rupees 490. Sales में, like Nykaa sale में या Pink Friday sale में, you can get it for like somewhat 350 or 400. But generally अगर आप इसको खरीदोगे तो this retails for rupees 490. I also have mentioned this clay mask in my last minimal skincare video. I've been using this from 2016, I guess, yes. And this has been a staple. It's really nice. You just need to apply the mask and leave it for somewhat about 20-25 minutes, and it really cleans your face and you can see instant glow on your face after applying this mask. Like, I can tell you that there are 100 other clay masks available, but this one comes under a very reasonable price. So if you want to give it a try to a clay mask or something, you should start from this. This baby is dope. Okay, the fifth step is drink a lot of water. I know बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि पानी पीना चाहिए ये एंड वो, बट आई हैव सीन डिफरेंस गाइज. जब मैं पानी नहीं पीती हूँ तब मेरी शक्ल कैसी लग रही होती है और जब मैं पानी पी लेती हूँ तब मेरी शक्ल कैसी लगती है. दोज आर टू डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटीज़ एंड आई हैव नेग्लेक्टेड वाटर लाइक फॉर गुड 20-22 ईयर्स. मुझे लगता है मैं एक गिलास पानी पे भी जिंदा रहने वाली इंसान हूँ. लाइक आई डू नॉट नीड वाटर, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट वाटर डज मेक डिफरेंस. It help you in flushing all the toxins from your body. It really add a glow, so drink enough water. Coming to the next step, which is toning your face. Now they have their alcohol free toner. I tried it. I talked about another brand, Wow, in my previous video. If you haven't seen that one, after this video please check out that one. That toner does not sting on my face. However, this one when I tried, it still tingles on my T-zone, like this area, not the entire face but especially here. Maybe I have some pore situation or what, but even if it's alcohol free, it really tingles in this area. It is a good one. Take out all the extra gunk left in my face. So toner is like a must have step. Okay, so after you mask your face, tone your face. That's the rule we follow. So the final step is to use this Plum Night Gel, which is Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I have used Lakme ka Night Gel or aloe vera gel, whatever that was. I didn't like that one because that has a really strong perfumish khushbu. Like I was not feeling, like I don't like my skincare products or the products I use to have a really strong smell. That way I feel like those products which has a really strong and pungent smell, I really feel that these products have a lot of chemical. I don't know. मतलब अगर इसमें बहुत खुशबू है तो I may not end up using it, especially skincare products. Talking about this one has no smell at all. Like this night gel is just like any other aloe vera gel except Lakme wala. This one is a good one. I like it. Doesn't feel a lot, like it's just like a gel you apply on your face, absorbs really quickly, add a glow to your face. So this baby is also nice. I've used it for the first time. If you want me to review it individually or if you want a 30-day review of this baby, please let me know in the comment section and I'll do it happily. So that was it about the weekend deep cleansing routine featuring a Plum green tea range. I hope you like this video guys, and if you like any product, you can use it using Plum website. They are available on Nykaa, they are also available on Amazon, they are also available on Purple or any website. Like you can get them from any website. So that's there. Apart from that, drink enough water and eat fruits. Like मैं समझती हूँ कि पूरा वीक काम में और बाकी सब चीज़ों में निकल जाता है, बट वीकेंड का एक दिन लाइक सैटरडे और संडे या संडे की नाइट को 10-15 मिनट निकाल के फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ जस्ट डू योर स्किन केयर रूटीन, बिकॉज स्किन केयर इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट गाइज. अगर आप मेकअप भी नहीं करते हो और आप बहुत सिंपल हो तो स्किन केयर का तो ध्यान आप रख ही सकते हो. एंड या दैट वॉज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक इट एंड आई होप यू ट्राई देयर Revival Genital Scrub, which is their newly launched item. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you like it, and if you like it, please don't forget to give the big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are very close to 3K. like मैं literally सुबह उठ के बस यही चेक करती रहती हूँ कि कितने सब्सक्राइबर हुए हैं. So please let's quickly jump to 3K and yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.